Okay, let's move next. Okay, do you know how to pronounce this? The initials? The first one, how to say? It's not Y, it's E. Yeah, same like the I. Yeah, same like E. Okay. E U, remember E U E U. That's it. Hard, easy to remember. E U. Okay. Yeah. E U. Their pronunciation is the same. Okay, let's try. W and the U, the spelling, the pronunciation is the same, just U, E, U. That's it. Okay, try this. O, E, O, Yo. Yeah. Yo, Yong. Yeah, E, Ong, Yong, Yo, Yong. What's the meaning? Yeah, correct. Swimming. Let me put the writing here. Yo, Yong. Okay. Yo, Yong. Okay. And then next one. It's O, E, O, Yo, Yo, Yi, Yo, Yi, Yo, Yi. What's meaning? Yo, Yi. Yo, Yi means I have the intention to do something. Yo, Yi. Yeah, yo means I have something. Okay, have. Yi means your willing, your thinking, your target or your ambition. I have the ambition to do something. I have the intention to do something. 有意. Okay. Next. 音乐. 音乐. What's meaning? Yin Yue means, let me put the writing here. You can see more accurately. Yeah, sorry. Yin Yue. Yin Yue. What's meaning? Yin Yue. Yin, it sounds. Yue, it's pleasure. Sounds make you pleasure. It's music. So Yin Yue means music. Got it? Yin means sounds. Okay, Yue means 快乐, happiness, or pleasure. So sounds that makes people happy or pleasure, that's music. Okay, next. First tone. A, U, A, Wa. Yeah. 青蛙. Let me put the writing here. 青蛙. 青蛙. Wa. It's supposed to be this wa. It's an animal. Qingwa, it's an animal. Qing means green color. Wa is something like a baby, but it has a chong, the worm next to it, so it's a natural species that sounds like baby crying, baby screaming. Fork, you know fork? Fork. Yeah, 青蛙 means fork. Yeah, fork. Green fork. 青 because 青 means green. Okay, next one. E. This is third tone. Yin. E in yin. C. C in xin. Yin xin. Yin xin. Let me put the writing. Then you can guess. Yin xin. Yin xin. What's meaning? Look at the writing. Yin means movie, means shadow. Xin means star. Okay, movie star, celebrity, movie star. Yeah, Yin Xin. Next one. Next one. Yeah, yeah, 英雄，英雄，英雄。What's meaning? Yin means cool or looks very handsome, awesome, looks very strong. Xiong is like very strong, like looks like lion, you know, a very grand feeling. Okay, 英雄. What's meaning? Yin means very handsome, smart, looks good. You know, Xiong is very strong, like a king. No, means this is hero. Okay, 英雄 means hero. Yeah, hero. The hero looks very handsome, strong, you know, good looking, smart. Next one.危险. What's meaning?危险. Yeah, 危险 means dangerous. Yeah, 危 it's like in danger. 险 is risk. Put them together is very dangerous. Just dangerous means. Okay, next. This is I. Y. Yeah, 国外. Yeah. 国 means country. Y means outside. What's meaning? 国外 means abroad. Overseas. Yeah, 国外. Okay, next. Yin is an, yang, 太阳天. first tone. Okay, 阴天。Yeah. 阴天。Yeah, 阴天。阴 means shadow or like cloudy. 天 means day, cloudy day. Means cloudy day. 阴天。Got it? Yeah, cloudy day. 阴天。天 means sky. Okay? 天 means sky. Cloudy sky means cloudy day. That's it. Easy. Next one. Yeah. 天 sky. 阴 cloudy. Shadow. Okay, next one is third tone. 雨 Yeah, 一语语以昂扬扬语言对语言 What's meaning? 语言语 means 语 like talking language 言 mouth talking language 语言 together just language means language all about talking in saying like that. Okay, next. It's ang wang uang wang. Yeah. Uang wang. When two third tone together, the first one have to change to second tone. It's wang wang. Yeah. Wang wang. Wang wang, what's meaning? It means always. Always. Yeah, something happen all the time. Always happen. Wang wang. Yeah, we can see this kind of things happen. Always. 往往这种事情会发生。Okay? It happened. Next. 网宴 Yeah, 一样网宴网宴 Yeah, 网宴 What's meaning? 网 it's means night at night. Yang means like a buffet, a dinner. Okay, night dinner, night buffet, but it's very luxury one. 网宴 means dinner. Yeah, but it's for like high class, like for the government, for welcoming president, welcoming important figure. Okay, 网宴 luxury dinner. It could be explained like. Okay. Next. 爷爷 What's meaning? 爷爷 means grandpa. Yeah, 爷爷 grandpa. 爸爸 father. Right? 妈妈 mother. 奶奶 grandma. Okay. Next one. 营营营一昂扬营养，对，营养。What's meaning? 营养。营养 means nutrition. Nutrition. The food is very nutrition. The food is very nutritional, you know, 营养. Like something, when you buy something, it will say the nutrition fact, right? Ingredient fact, nutrition fact. So nutrition means 营养. It's very good for body, good for your health. 营养. Yeah, means nutrition. Okay, the last one. It's not women, okay? Woman, yeah. What's the meaning? We, yeah, us. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead. Let's do some. Yeah, the last 5 minutes. Let's do a practice, a exam. Okay, find the answer for this character. Ta. Yeah. What's the answer? You have to see the writing. The writing ta, it tells you the information. Is male or female? It tells you in the writing. Ta. What's the answer? B, right? Correct. And the next one, ta. E, right? Perfect. Third one, 同学. Yeah. 同学 means classmate.
Classmate or college?
Huh?
Classmate or C.
同学 just classmate. Because 同 is together. 学 is study. Study together. That's classmate. It's C, right?
C.
Okay, perfect. Next. 朋友.
Friends.
Yeah, friend. Which one? Huh? Which one?
F.
F. Yeah, correct. F. Okay, next. B. B or D? D for dog, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, last one. A, right? Perfect. Wow, you got them all right. You got 100% your mark. Perfect.